Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're having an awesome Sunday. That you got. I just got my hair cut and I try not to wash it yet, so I'm just playing with it way too much. What was I saying? Oh, losing our hour this morning of sleep, which was actually, okay. So I'm okay with that. But I got a nice sleep and yeah. So this week's meal planning and prep is going to be a bit different because I'm away in Dallas on Wednesday till Sunday for conference. Yay! Anyway, I'm excited. Good dance party. Woohoo. Anyway, so yes, I'm excited for all that. Get to see Krista and Pauline and Lisa Marie and a whole bunch of people there, so it's exciting. Anyway, calm down. I know. Anyway, I got this. Okay, so I am going to be making chicken pot pie today, and I will showcase that tonight when I make it. I just want to make it when we're eating it because it's better that way. I am going to be putting puff pastry on it, but there are other options for you. I believe Melissa has shared it a few times. You can use the quick biscuits and use them as dumplings as well. So you could make up your pot pie like you normally do. But if you're looking for a gluten-free option, make these and just drop them in like little dumplings as an option. Or you could totally roll this out. I have, if you got, a mat, just roll it all out. Chantal, you probably won't watch this, but if you are, this also works great for those that came in the Epic box. It has little cheeseburger pastry wraps, pastry squares. I don't know. Tarts. Anyway, the word's not coming to me. But you can still follow the recipe. But if you're looking for gluten-free options, you can do it with this. It's the same way I make my tarts and like fruit tarts and things. I use this. It's fine. Anyway, I'm doing with chicken pot pie today, chicken pot pie. We'll be making in the saute pan, which is great because it can go in the oven and it's got a lot of surface area, which is perfect. So I just brown up the chicken, throw in the veg, get the sauce going, and then you put your pastry or your dumplings or whatever on, and then throw it in the oven, and probably about 30 minutes or so in the oven, depending on uh, what's happened, how much is in it, blah, 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 all that. There is a couple of options you can do for making a chicken pot pie. You can, of course, use Melissa's favorite, home style chicken stew. Works great, perfect for that. If you do not have that, or maybe you don't like it because of the flavor profile, it's not your favorite. For me, sometimes it has a little too much onion, so I have a hard time with it. But it just depends. You can use scalloped potato mix as another option. Again, it is cheesy, right? So remember that these two are also dairy in it. So just in case that's also an issue, if you are trying to be dairy free, I will give you a dairy free option. But these have dairy in it, so they'll make the kind of cheesy sauce kind of scenario. Anyway, and they both have inactive nutritional yeast and some black peppers and herbs and onions and things like this. And then it's just slightly different profiles of flavor. So it may be okay for you, it may not. The thing we like to do, which is a dairy-free option, is I actually use our chicken broth, our nourish broth, and I use our savory herb gravy. That's my thickener instead of using the dairy in the other one. So this one is the thing I use for thickening up. And then you can flavor it with either a bit of rotisserie chicken or any particular flavor you might like. So any of like the salad dressings would work too, like the balsamic or the Greek would be nice, the Slovaki, the Italian, rosemary garlic if you like, the curries, anything you might have a particular like for, by all means, give it a try, right? Add a little heat to it, add a little anything to it, butter chicken. Why not, right? It's just a chicken pot pie. So have some fun with it. Flavor it up, change it up. Got different people in your family. It takes a little more work, but you could put it in separate containers and do it that way. Ooh, like our coquettes. Oh my God, that'd be awesome. So those little coquettes, if you got them or got something similar, you can make up the base of the chicken pot pie in them, put the different flavors in, like mix it up, and then put your little puff pastries or your little pieces of the biscuits on it as dumpling and put those in the oven. So different size containers or whatever, and you can have different flavors for different people or whatever it might be. So yeah, that's chicken pot pie. That'll happen later. I will explain. I will share that later today. Most of you are probably busy today right now anyways. It's 10 o'clock, so probably church or family or resting, whatever it might be. Then I'm away, I'm going to have wings set up for Vic to have. We might have them Tuesday, and then I leave Wednesday, and then he can eat the rest the next day. I haven't decided yet, but we'll pull them out tomorrow, and then we'll marinate for at least 24 hours. And these are the flavors we're going to do. So honey garlic, you know this one. We do this a lot. He's fine with the same. He basically said that. So I'll make up this as a sauce and a marinade. The other one is I thought I would try our lemon chicken orzo instead of lemon pepper, just because it's a similar process, because it's lemon and pepper and stuff in there. And I thought, why not try it and see what we think about it on wings? So again, I'll make it as a marinade and a sauce, and that will go on there. And I will showcase that when I make it as well, to show you the different options you can have. And then, yeah, that's kind of it that I might do right now. I'm away next weekend, obviously, for conference, but then I'm back on the 24th, and I will do meal prep on that day. And that day is actually the day that I'm going to have ambassadors over to try the new seasonings. So that day I'll be trying new seasonings. So as a leader, I get them really early, so I get to try them and taste them, and I'm excited for that. And we'll be trying it on the 24th. So if you want to be one of those persons to try it out early, you are welcome to come over. Most of my team will be on Zoom. A few people will be over, but I will make some stuff for us to try. So you're welcome to come try it. You're welcome to come grab a catalog and give it a shot. So just message me that you want to do that, so I know I have enough food for you to try. Otherwise, the new season launches in April on the 4th. And then April 7th, I will have an open house for all customers and everyone to come over and try it that day. So yeah, so it's up to you. I'm excited for all of that. So there's lots of yummy new flavors, a lot of things coming back. It is our spring summer catalog. So that's exciting, because it means barbecues and burgers and stuff. So there's any winter things that you see, stews, soups, anything like that, grab them if you want them throughout the season, because some of those things will actually go into the vault. So that's a heads up. Things that you see on sale doesn't mean they will or won't go away. It's just things we have on sale right now. It's just spring fever. Grab that, because 30% off is 30% off. So why not? Or up to 30%. The saute pan is one of them, by the way. So it's like $100 instead of 125, whatever it might be. The wok is also on sale. Some really good cookware is on sale. So if you're looking for something like that, even some things to get you ready for spring. So like the skewers, the roll-up rack, the 3-in-1 burger press is there. So yeah, I would totally grab some things if you're looking to stock up and get ready. If you want to have your own cooking class to stock up and have some people see how awesome it is with you, because you showcase how awesome you are using with Epicure. That's the awesome thing about having an event or cooking class, is that you share how it works for you with your family and friends. We can do that. The coquettes or coquettes are the host special. And what else? Yeah. Anyway, and also don't forget, hey, you can become a savvy consumer and be your own Epicure ambassador like me, or like your own self. If you're looking to offset your grocery bill, if you're looking to have a little extra cash in your account every Friday, this is the place to be, because you get to eat it, which is pretty awesome. So if you're interested in any of that, want to know what it's all about, the access pass, the welcome bundles that we got, which is pretty cool, by the way. Those welcome bundles are set up for you to choose what kind of kit you want, or don't need a kit because you're pretty stocked and you just want to buy the things you like. That's cool too. It's a good opportunity with the sale too. You join for the $49.95 and they'll go grab a whole bunch of sale items and you get paid for it. So instead of me getting paid, you get paid. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, hit me up if you're interested in hearing more. If you want, join, have an event, grab some items, just talk about meal prep and planning, I'm here for you as well. So have an awesome Sunday. I will be back later this afternoon showcasing the chicken pot pie. And then probably Monday or whatever, I'll showcase the marinades that I'm going to do for the chicken wings. And yeah, bye.